Hi students, welcome back to Gurudeva E-Classes. I am your Gururaj with the Shiksha and Social Science subject. In the lesson Prehistoric Society, in a previous class we learnt about the Paleolithic age. Today we have to extend our class to the Mesolithic age. So what is the meaning of Mesolithic age? So the Mesolithic age people, they are comes under the 12,000 year to 9,000 years from now. So this Mesolithic age, it is the age between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. So the Mesolithic age people, they are using the small tools apart from the big tools. So this small tools is more efficient than the big tools. So these small tools, especially, so what are the small tools they are used in a Mesolithic age? So these are all the small tools, the fixed with the wooden handles. So it is called as a microlithic age. So why they are calling it is a microlithic age in the sense the Mesolithic age people, they are using the small tools apart from the big tools. So it is called as a microlithic age. So like that way, the Mesolithic age people, they are hunt the animals. Apart from the hunting or killing, what they are used to eat. So they cannot make the agricultural activities, they cannot make the cultivation. So they are gathering the wild nuts. See, these wild nuts we cannot get throughout the year, or else a long period of the year. So they have started the animal husbandry. That means the Mesolithic age people, when they are going to hunt the animals, so when they are going to kill the animals, with that they are collect the wounded animals to start the animals rearing. So this rearing animals, it is a secured source of the food to the Mesolithic age people. So when they are started the animal husbandry, so these animals are the secured source of the food to the Mesolithic age people. So they are started the animal husbandry. So with that, when they are going to hunt the animals, sometimes they are settled in the cave. Sometimes they are settled in the rock shelter. In that, they are wrote many of the drawings. So these drawing skills, so these drawed picture helps us to know about the Mesolithic age. So this drawn picture is the evidence to learn about the Mesolithic age. So like that way, this Mesolithic age people, they cannot wear the cotton cloths or else the silk cloths. They wore the animal hide. So this animal hide is the best cloths of the Mesolithic age people. And they knows how to use the fire. They knows how to control the fire. So these are the main things we got from the Mesolithic age people. With that, so these Mesolithic age people, they are settled in all over the India, and they gives a lot of information with the pictures. I told about this Mesolithic age people, wherever they settled, they draw the picture in their rocks. So this Mesolithic age people we can found in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and also Uttara Pradesh. So in Madhya Pradesh also we can found here the places we called as Bhimbetga and Adamgarh. So northern part of the Madhya Pradesh we found these two places, Bhimbetga and Adamgarh. So it is the place, gives a lot of information about the Mesolithic age people. In Karnataka also we can find the Mesolithic age people. So where it has, the place we called as Kanaginahalli. So this Kanaginahalli, one of the place we can find in Karnataka. It is also gives a lot of information about the Mesolithic age. So like that way, Rajasthan, the places we called as Bagur and Ganeshwar. In West Bengal, so West Bengal, the place we called as Birbanpur. This Birbanpur also we found the many of rock shelters and caves, and they are settled there itself. And Andhra Pradesh also we can find here the place we called as Vanapasari. and Sarai Naharai and Mehbar. So these are the places we can found in Uttar Pradesh. So these places gives a lot of information, and these places helps us to know about the Mesolithic age people. And the next we call as Neolithic age. Dear students, after the Mesolithic age we found the Neolithic age. Since the Mesolithic age we found only the animal husbandry and gathering nuts. See, these animal husbandry and gathering wild nuts, it cannot give the food throughout the year. So they are started the agricultural activities. So these agricultural activities we can found in the age that is called as a Neolithic age. So the people of Neolithic age we found between the time of 9,000 years to 5,000 years from now. This Neolithic age people, they are cultivating the crops in the place of alluvial soil, so where there is a river banks. So it is one of the good place to do the agricultural activities. So they are started the agricultural activities in the bank of the rivers. And so these agricultural activities, it gives food to them and fodder to their animals throughout the year. So they are started the first step of the civilization method. That means the men or the human beings of the Neolithic age, they are settled in a one place. They are started the agricultural activities in their own places. Dear students, generally we know that India is called as subcontinent. So India is one of the country we found the agricultural activities. The first step of the agricultural activities we can found in India itself, the place we called as Mehergarh. This place still we can found in Pakistan. As you know students, in a Mesolithic age people, they are settled in caves and they made the rock shelters. But the Neolithic age people, they started to build their own houses. So these own houses specially made for the sun-dried bricks. So these sun-dried bricks helps us to build the huts or the houses in a Neolithic age people. In a Kashmir, we found the Burj home. So these Burj homes we called as underground shelter. The Kashmiri people cannot able to live in a less temperature. So they made underground shelters or underground homes. So these type of the homes we called as Burj home. So when the people of Neolithic age, when they are started to facing the new problems, to collecting the crops, to collecting the grains, they manufacturing the handmade potteries. So these pots helps us to collect the grains. By introduction of wheel only we found variety of the pots. So these pots helps us to store the grains. The Neolithic age people, when they are started to do the agriculture, they use the stone tools. So these stone tools was made out of the bones. That means the stone tools in the sense we called as hand axe and another tools. So these hand axe and another tools, it was made in the place of a Sanganakallu. So this Sanganakallu we can found in a Ballari itself. So these Sanganakallu, it is one of the evidence and the center of the stone tools. And we found many of the Neolithic age places. The places we found in Karnataka also, the places we called as Banahalli, Brahmagiri, Budihal, Halluru, Uttanur, T. Narsipura. So these are the places as available in Karnataka itself. So these are the good evidence of the Neolithic age people. Then Chiran is one of the places we can found in Bihar. So these are all the important place, gives the information of the Neolithic age. Thank you. So dear students, once you observe the board, I wrote what is the difference between the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Please concentrate on the board. Here as Paleolithic age, here as Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. The one more name of the Mesolithic age we called as Microlithic age because of they used the small tools. In a Paleolithic age people they used the big tools. Neolithic age people also they used the small and big tools. So the Mesolithic age we considered as a Microlithic age. So this Mesolithic age, it's a between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. So what is the period of Paleolithic age? The Paleolithic age period we considered as 5 lakh year to 12,000 years. The Mesolithic age period we considered as 12,000 years to 9,000 years from now. And the Neolithic age we considered as 9,000 years to 5,000 years from now. Then what is the food of Paleolithic age? The food of Paleolithic age we called as fruits, edible plants and tubers. Then food of Mesolithic age people we called as fruits, edible plants and nuts. Then food of Neolithic age people we called as grains. Then what is the shelter of Paleolithic age? The Paleolithic age people's shelter we called as caves and rock shelters. Here also cave and rock shelter, but the Neolithic age people they use the houses by using the sun dried bricks and burj home. So these burj home we can found in the place of Kashmir itself. Then what are the tools we can found in a Paleolithic and Mesolithic and Neolithic age people? So tools of Paleolithic age people we considered as stone tools, and the Mesolithic age people also they used the stone tools with the wooden handle. And the Neolithic age people also they used the stone tools the made of bones. Then the cloths. So what are the cloths used the Paleolithic age people? They use the large leaves and the bark of trees. And Mesolithic age people also they use the animal's hide. And the Neolithic age people they use the animal's hide and their own cloths. Then, so what is the occupation of the Paleolithic age? The Paleolithic age people they are started to hunting the animals, and fishing is one of the major occupation of the Paleolithic age. And then Mesolithic age people they are started the animal husbandry. So animal husbandry is the occupation of the Mesolithic age people. And the Neolithic age people we consider as agriculture and pottery. So this is the picture. It gives the complete information about the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and the Neolithic age. Please concentrate on the board. So today we learned about the Mesolithic age and the Neolithic age. So what is the importance of Mesolithic age? What is the importance of the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age? So here is the difference of the Paleolithic, Mesolithic and the Neolithic. So please concentrate on the board. Thank you.